If you are done setting up your art galleries, you can share them with your audience through the sharing tools available. When you share the art main page, the visitor will be able to access all of the art galleries on your art main page. Alternatively, you can share a link to just one gallery with your audience. To share the art main page, copy the direct link from the share button. You can also integrate your art main page to your website. Simply copy the integration code and paste it to an HTML or code block on your website, as seen within this example in Squarespace. All of the contents of your art main page will populate to your website momentarily. Please note, it may take a minute for contents to appear in the editor and for the frame to scale into the full height. Now, your clients can explore your art galleries from your website. Similarly to the art main page, you can share a direct link to your art gallery. You can also integrate the art gallery by copying the integration code to your website. Simply paste the code into an HTML or code block as seen within this example in Squarespace. And that's it. Now you can share the galleries with your audience. If you have any questions about art galleries or any other support inquiries, please feel free to email our team at support@pictime.com.